Hi, I'm the Ram Man.
And I'm Joe Gamer.
And we're going to show you how to install Linux on your PS3. First, you need a Linux disk to either download it or buy it. Then, you need a hard drive to back up your PlayStation so you don't lose all your cool game data. Alrighty, let's begin. Also, you need a keyboard and a mouse.
Because Linux doesn't use the PlayStation controller.
Also, you need an HDTV with component or HDMI hookups because it displays in high def. Now let's start the installation process. First, turn on your PS3. Listen to that lovely sound. Alright, when it's fully loaded, first go to Settings, go to System Settings, scroll down to Format Utility. Then scroll down to Format Hard Disk and hit Yes. Go to Custom and now pick the amount you want to allot to the OS or the PS3 OS. We're going to allot 10 gigabytes to the other OS. And click on Quick Format. And yes. Remember, now everything on your PS3 is basically being erased. Alright, now click X. And your PS3 should restart. Now once your PlayStation restarts,
you're going to want to put your Linux disk in to the system.
Alright, once it's in, go back to Settings, System Settings, and scroll down to Install Other OS. It's going to search for it, and then it'll give you the title and where it's at. If you got the Yellow Dog Linux 5.0.1, it should say as the title /PS3 /Others /Others.bld. And next you'll want to hit Start. And now it's going to install, which doesn't take very long at all. Alright, that's basically, the next screen is basically telling you how to get the other OS system to start on your PS3. And just hit back. Alrighty. Next, go to Default System. Click that and hit Other OS. And so you want to restart and you're going to want to hit Yes.